One test, one score, and one chance to get it right. Most people fail writing task 2 not because their English is weak, but because they don't know the rules. In this lesson, we are going to tackle writing task 2 together, step by step from the very beginning. By the end, you will know exactly how to read any task 2 prompt, identify what it is asking you to do, and choose the right essay type before you write a single word. This is Adaptive IELTS. Let's start with the prompt itself. Here is a typical task 2 prompt. Some people think that prison is the best punishment for criminals. Others believe that there are better ways to deal with crime. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Before you do anything, plan, outline, write. Read the whole prompt once, slowly, from beginning to end. Most students rush this step. Don't. Everything you need to write a great essay is already inside this prompt. Your job is to find it. Now read it a second time. This time, you are looking for the topic keywords, the important words that tell you what this essay is really about. Let's find them together. The first keyword is prison, the second is best punishment, and the third is better ways to deal with crime, which is really talking about rehabilitation. Prison on one side, rehabilitation on the other. Which one is better for dealing with crime? That is your topic. Now here is something very important, and once you know this, you will never be confused by a prompt again. Every task 2 prompt is made of 2 things. The first part gives you background information about the topic. The second part, always the last sentence, gives you your actual task. So look at the last sentence. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. That is your instruction. Focus entirely on this one. Inside that last sentence is what we call a signal phrase. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. The signal phrase is the most important part of any task 2 prompt because it tells you exactly which type of essay to write. Every task 2 prompt has exactly one signal phrase. If you can find it, you already know your essay structure. So, what type of essay are you writing today? The signal phrase in this prompt is, discuss both views and give your own opinion. That makes this a discussion essay. In a discussion essay, you must explain both views fairly, one view per body paragraph. Then give your own clear opinion at the end. Now let's understand and plan discussion essay structure. In a discussion essay, you have 4 jobs. Introduction, view 1, view 2, your opinion. That is your structure. In the next phase, we are going to build that plan, sentence by sentence. You now know the structure. In the next phase, we build the plan, sentence by sentence. Adaptive IELTS.